You're watching Sneha Jyothsna video.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sneha Jyothsna video. Today I'm making a dish with sprouts. Ingredients we need are pepper, coriander leaves, carrot, cucumber, lemon. I took the lemon juice and put in a bowl. Himalaya pink salt. The main ingredients: sprouts and grater. Peeler. Take a carrot, peel it, but peel it under vision of your parents. Take cucumber and peel it too. Just keep an eye on your kids while they're peeling, parents. I know that everyone, did you hear that cucumbers are so much with water? Yeah, I know that because they're full of water. But you can eat it in summer. You can also, when you're sleeping, you can cut the cucumbers and you can put on your eyes and sleep so that you can relax. Okay, now take a plate and now take the grater, put it over here. Take a cucumber or any. While grating, you can see these are so sharp, so do it under your parents' intervention.
Take the grated carrot and put in a bowl. Mix it. Put some salt. Put some pepper. Mix it well.
So this is it of the video. Bye. See you in next video. If you like this video, give a like, subscribe and share.
Profits of sprout salad.